Alright, update. I have replaced the cam position sensor right there, the crank position, which is down there, and I have replaced the throttle body entirely. So I had written a letter to Chrysler Corporation, and they replied today, and we talked, and they're going to talk to the dealership and see what kind of a resolution we can come to. So truck still, it'll start and run, but she won't idle. It's just through an engine code, so let me throw the OBD on it and find out what it is. Okay, 9 codes. So I have replaced the battery, the computer, the crank and cam position, and the throttle position. So let's see what these codes are. Multiple misfires. DTC, random, multiple misfires, lost communication with body control module. I have to figure out what that is. So under 5 misfire, random misfires, lost communication, and DTC definition. Okay. So that's where we're at. I'll look those codes up and see what I got to do, and see where that takes me next. Kind of run out of stuff. At least I think I'm running out of sensors. There's no telling what they fried. And there's no telling what Chrysler Corporation is going to talk to the dealer into. They said they can't tell the dealer what to do, but they can make suggestions. Right now, their suggestion is to give me back that $900 I spent for the work I paid for that didn't do anything but break my truck. And I said, well, what about the rest of the money? What about the money I'm spending on it now? And they said, let's get some communication lines going with the dealer, and then we'll see where that takes us. So that's where we're at. Wish me luck.